Hello students, today we will study examples of vector algebra in this session. So example 4 we have a bar equals to xi caret plus 2j caret plus zk caret and b bar equals to 2i cap yj cap plus k cap are equal vectors. Then find the values of x, y and z. So we know that a bar vector is equals to b bar vector if and only if its component scalars are equal. That is means x is equals to 2, y is also compared with the here, then y is equals to 2 and z is equals to 1. Then we have x equals to 2, y equals to 2, z equals to 1. Example 5 we have a bar equals to I cap plus 2j cap, b bar equals to 2i cap plus j cap. Then it is asked that is magnitude a bar equals to magnitude b bar. Are these vectors are equal? So magnitude a bar we can calculate under root 1 square plus 2 square. So it is under root 1 plus 4, 5, root 5, and magnitude b bar we can calculate 2 square plus 1 square. So it is 4 plus 1 again under root 5. So both the magnitudes are equal, but we cannot say a bar equals to b bar because their component vectors are not equal. Example 6 we have if a bar is equals to 2i caret plus 3j caret plus k caret, then find unit vector of a bar. Then we will have unit vector of a bar, that will be a cap is equals to 1 by magnitude of a bar into a bar. And so magnitude of a bar we calculate, then it will be under root 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square, which will be 4 plus 9 plus 1 under root 14. And so unit vector we will have 1 by under root 14 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. And so we can write it 2 by root 14 I cap plus 3 by root 14 j cap plus 1 by root 14 k cap. Example 7 we have find a vector in the direction of vector a bar that has magnitude 7 units. Now in the direction of this vector we require, so we will find out unit vector of a bar and then we want magnitude 7 units, so multiply by 7, and so required vector equals to, we can say that 7 into unit vector of a. And so first we find out unit vector of a, then it is 1 by magnitude a bar into a bar. So magnitude a bar we will have under root 1 square plus minus 2 square, that is 1 plus 4 root 5, and so it will be 7 by root 5. A bar will be I cap minus 2j cap, and so we multiply this inside, then 7 by root 5 I cap minus 14 by root 5 j cap is the required vector. Example 8, we have find the unit vector in the direction of sum of two vector a bar and b bar. So let c bar is the vector which is the addition of a bar and b bar. Then we have to find out the unit vector of c, that will be 1 by magnitude c bar into c bar. So first we find out c bar, then c bar equals to a bar plus b bar, that is means 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 5k cap plus 2i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. So we add them, then 2 plus 2 4i, 2 plus 1 3j, minus 5 plus 3 minus 2k. And so we find out magnitude c bar, then it will be under root 4 square plus 3 square plus minus 2 square. So it will be 16 plus 9 plus 4, so under root 29. And so required unit vector we can write c unit vector equals to 1 by magnitude c bar into c bar. So 1 by root 29 into, we have 4i plus 3j minus 2k caret. Example 9, we have write direction ratios and direction cosine for a bar equals to I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. So we know that r bar equals to xi cap plus yj cap and zk cap is a vector, then its component are its direction ratios, and so here direction ratio A equals to I coefficient is the 1, so component will be 1, so 1. B equals to J coefficient is the 1, so 1. And C equals to K coefficient is the minus 2, so minus 2. And so we have the direction ratios A equals to 1, B equals to 1 and C equals to minus 2. Then the direction cosines we have L equals to A by magnitude of vector, M is equals to B by magnitude of vector, and N is equals to C by magnitude of vector. So magnitude of vector we calculate, then 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square, which will be 1 plus 1 plus 4, so root 6. And so we can write that the direction cosines are L is equals to 1 by root 6, M is equals to 1 by root 6, and N is equals to minus 2 by root 6. Now we will see the vectors joining 2 points. So in a 3-dimensional system, if we have the point P1, x1, y1, z1, and P2 is the another point x2, y2, z2, then what is the value of vector P1, P2? So with the origin we join P1 and P2, then we are getting the triangle OP1, P2, and so we apply the triangle rule, then OP1 vector plus P1, P2 vector is equals to OP2, and so P1, P2 equals to, we can write OP2 minus OP1. So OP1 vector with the origin it is there, so it will be x2, y2, z2 only, and OP1 x1, y1, z1. And so the vectors joining 2 points will be x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. Its vector form we write, then x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap, and its magnitude will be given p1 p2 will be under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z1 square. So example 10 we have, find the vector pq which is joining p230 and q minus 1 minus 2 minus 4. So we can write vector pq equals to q bar minus p bar. So q vector is minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 minus p vector is 2 3 0. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 and minus 4 minus 0 will be minus 4, and so we require vector will be minus 3 I cap minus 5 j cap minus 4 k cap. Now we will study the section formula. So suppose P and Q are 2 points, P is 1 point, Q is 1 point. So with the origin joining P is the vector A bar, and with the origin joining Q is the vector V bar. Now on the line segment PQ there is a point R, and the joining vector is the R bar, and R is dividing from P and the M is to N ratio. Then we want to find out the vector R bar. So R is dividing the PQ in the ratio PR by PQ. RQ equals to M is to N. Now these are the vectors, and so for triangle OPR we can take, or ORP, we can take the vector here. So vector OR plus vector PR is equals to vector OP, and so vector OR R bar plus PR is equals to vector OP means A bar, and so PR vector we will have A bar minus R bar. Now same way from the down triangle ORQ, we will have OR plus RQ equals to OQ, and so here direction is the opposite direction, so we will take the negative vector, and so RQ equals to minus of OQ minus OR, that will be minus of B bar minus R bar, so that will be R bar minus B bar. So this value we submit here, then PR vector we have A bar minus R bar upon R bar minus B bar equals to M by N. So we take the cross multiply, then NA bar minus n r bar equals to m r bar minus mb bar. So mb bar we take another side, then it will be mb bar plus na bar is equals to m plus n r bar, and so r bar value we will have mb bar plus na bar equals to m plus n, and so the dissection formula we have the r bar equals to mb bar plus na bar by m plus n. Now this is the internally dividing, so m and n are positive, but if we r divides externally, then we will have the formula m and n are negative, so mb bar minus nb bar upon m minus n. And so when r divides internally, we will take mb bar plus na bar by m plus n, and r divides externally, then we will take mb bar minus nb bar by m minus n. Now suppose r is a midpoint of PQ vector, then m is to n is equals to 1 is to 1, and on that time we will have the OR vector will be 1 into a bar plus 1 into b bar by 1 plus 1. So it is a bar plus b bar plus by 2, and so any vector's midpoint we can find out by a bar plus b bar by 2. Example 11, we have consider 2 points P and Q. P's position vector is 3a bar minus 2b bar, and Q's position vector is a bar plus b bar. Then find the position vector of R such that it divides into 2:1 ratio internally. When it divides internally, then OR bar we will take mb bar plus na bar by m plus n, and so m means 2 into b bar means a bar plus b bar plus 1 into 3a bar minus 2b bar by 2 plus 1, and so it is 2a bar plus 2b bar plus 3a bar minus 2b bar by 2 plus 1 3, so 2b bar cancel, and so 5a bar by 3 is the internally dividing point. Now it is also said that when it divides externally, then OR bar we can take mb bar minus na bar by m minus n. So on that time we can take 2 into a bar plus b bar minus 1 into 3a bar minus 2b bar by 2 minus 1. So we will have 2a bar plus 2b bar minus 3a bar plus 3b bar by 2 minus 1 1. So 2 minus 3 minus a bar plus 5 bar b bar is the required vector. 2 plus 2 is there, so 4b bar is the required vector. If A 2i minus j plus k, b I minus 3j plus 5k, and c 3i minus 4j minus 4k are three vertices of right angle, like that way we have to show. So first we will find out AB vector, then b bar minus a bar. So I minus 3j plus 5k minus 2i minus j plus k, and so it will be minus I minus 2j minus 6k. Same way BC vector we find, then from C we minus B, then we will have 2i minus j plus k, and CA vector we will have from A we minus C, then minus I plus 3j plus 5k. And so we find out magnitude of AB. Then 1 square 1 plus 2 square 4 plus 6 square 36, which is root 41. The magnitude of BC we will have 2 square 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is root 6, and magnitude of AC we will have, CA we will have 1 plus 9 plus 25, which is 36, and so we can 35, and so we can take that here AC square plus BC square equals to AB square, and so these 3 points represents the right angle triangle.